Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can export a Google Sheets spreadsheet to Excel file. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have Google Sheets application installed on your phone, and after that you can open it. And then if you want to export a Google Sheets to Excel file, you have to select the Google Sheets file that you want to export. And after you have decided which of the file that you want to convert or you want to export, you're going to click on three dots button. So this is the file that I want to export, so just click on this three dots button, and after that we can scroll our screen until we find save as Excel. So you just have to tap on it, and then the Google Sheets file will be exported to an Excel file. Okay, and wait guys. Oh, sorry. So guys, this is the Excel file, and this is the Google Sheets file. And you can see the different, right? Alright, and that's how we can export a Google Sheets spreadsheet to Excel file. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.